ask for like a groom's cake. Your grandmother's sugar cookies. So she's gonna be making them all week.
Did you have a groom's cake? We didn't even have a cake. Except the cupcakes.
Oh, but the cupcakes were great.
Yeah.
You know, I've coached 2 winning football games since the night before.
You guys won that game the
Yep.
night before?
And then 2 since then. We should win more.
Are you recording a video?
It could be the end too. I mean, I'll probably coach somewhere, but if it's not on our agenda, that'll
Scarlett, can you say LMO?
kill me.
Can you
I
say
think I'd rather just
grandma?
be an assistant somewhere. I might
grandma
try
and
to assist
grandpa.
Josh. That'd be pretty good.
Granny and Poppy.
Something else
Little
I'm
Poppy?
thinking about doing is getting
You say little
getting
Poppy?
certified